What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Juggalo Rambo back with another one for y'all. This time coming in with Upchurch, Heavier Rain. Y'all already know. Hope y'all had a blessed day. We're my Juggalo fam. Keep it wicked. We're going to get up in it. Leave some comments if y'all want. Hit the like and subscribe because there will be more to come. Let's go.
I almost died to a flash flood in the spring of 2010.
Woo.
Every time thunder struck, it was hella loud.
Killing it. Already. Killing it.
Pounding in the back of my ear. Pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver.
Yeah.
Of the dead livestock and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river. Old folks on the roof praying to God can get baptized in the dark old river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting to see how you think you scared me, mister. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain.
Yeah. Boy, things absolutely killing it. The lyrics, boy, good damn lyrics. The beat, all of killing the guitar, all of
I've seen
people crazy as hell talking about he can't sing. Boy, they done bumped the hell out of here.
heavier rain.
Yeah.
Some chase the standard, famous and pampered for the self, make no decision. Some like the danger, back road cocaine, and 6-speed Chevy transmissions. Tell mainstream I say,
Oh shit, 6-speed Chevy transmissions, hell yeah.
come get some. You won't even know you're bigger, 'cause this country boy ain't a labels play toy. I come from the mouth of the river. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
Yeah.
Sink or you swim, son, I've been on a limb as people's life gets swept from their fences. And Paul died, the boy seen his first grandson saddle up country music and tame it. So if the record labels try to drown me out,
That was good shit right there. Yeah. Oh, I could be wrong. I think talking about itself, taming it. Yeah, tame the shit, boy. Killing every bit of it.
you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile I've seen heavier rain.
Yeah. That shit right there was straight fire. Hell yeah, he straight killed it, man. Like I say, man, people tell me he can't sing, they done bumped the hell out of their head. That man be on top of his game. Always has. Hell yeah. Let me know what y'all think about it, man. Leave some comments. If not, it's all good. Hit that like, subscribe, because there will be more to come. Hope y'all keep having a blessed day. Best you can. We're Woot my Juggalo fam. And it's your boy Juggalo Rambo. I'll see y'all on the next one. Out.